Got this on eBay. It wouldn't work initially, but yeah, you have to run it reverse for a while. Boy, that's nice. Beautiful engine. Wow. Rolled up a little bit. Looks like an excellent engine. Good runner. The one to have on the layout because it's not in perfect condition. It's in very nice condition, but far from perfect. Now it has the old style smokestack that the FY&P had used. So that's the only situation where TYCO ever sold that smokestack on a General. Usually it's the much wider one. So that's kind of neat. But anyway, that's it. Quick response. Beautiful. Wow. Wonderful. Okay. There we go. Nice engine. This is from 1967 or 1968. TYCO. Unbelievable. I put the smallest drop oil on the axle of the motor, the armature. Unreal. Beautiful item. As nice as it gets. It's over here in its box. Here's some other cars with it. Hate to see it go. But it's one of the nicest I've ever found. Beautiful. An American flag, Gilbert Oil drum loader. This looks pretty nice. The oil drum loader, Gilbert American Flyer. Pretty neat. Fun item. I don't think I have any oil drums for that. It's a little bit smaller than the S gauge. Pretty nice.